The colorfx tab allows you to create virtually any desired look by a simple combination of effect nodes. Like the primary in and secondary tabs, colorfx looks can be saved into a bin for future use. Using the colorfx tab is actually quite straightforward. One effect is fed into another until the final result is fed to the output. The top effect node has no connection to its input, since it's being fed the image coming from the secondaries tab. The colorfx tab is divided into three main areas. On the left side are the nodes, in the middle is the workspace, and on the right are the parameter and bin tabs. Click and drag an effect node to bring it into the workspace. The first node will always come with an output node attached to it. When you wish to add another node, just click and drag a node over to the line between existing effect nodes in the workspace. Click on a node to edit its parameters in the right-hand pane. The Bypass button will bypass the selected node from the node tree. To change the connections between effect nodes, click and drag from the output triangle of one node to the input triangle of another, or vice versa. To delete a node, just select it and press the Delete key. As intimidating as it initially seems, creating custom effects with the node tree is extremely easy. Here, a simple grainy black and white effect is created. First, the black and white node is dragged into the workspace. You'll instantly see the effect of the node in the main display. The output node is then dragged down a little purely to make room for the next node. Now, a film grain node is dragged onto the connecting line between the black and white and output nodes. Because the film grain node is selected, its parameters are visible to the right. The grain size is increased to 5000 to create an extreme grain effect, and the grain color is set to monochrome. Pressing the spacebar provides a preview of the final look. Press the spacebar again to halt playback. Clicking Bypass in the parameters disables the node's effect, removing the grain. Once you're happy with a particular effect, click over to the colorfx bin to save it for future use. Name it appropriately, then click Save. In future, whenever you need that effect, just drag it from the colorfx bin into the workspace.